Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. I have a Shein mega haul for you guys today. It is my winter generic haul. Seasonally, I am putting in one big haul in addition to smaller hauls throughout the holidays, but there is so much stuff. And I'm going to try and go as quickly as possible. Otherwise, this video is going to be super long. But I just did not want to break it down into any more videos than the 3 I've already broken it into. So, without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, let's run through these foils. This is just an iridescent foil. It's like geometric. There's one that goes with it. This one is stars. Very pretty. I am more excited to use this one than the other one, but it's pretty. Next, I've got these foils. It reminds me of like tile. I actually intend to use these very soon. Very soon. Probably on this hand as my other hand. Not my show hand, but they're beautiful. And then I've got a white set as well. Might bust this out in, December, January, we'll see. I've got some more of these black and hollow foils. Let's try and look at them really quickly. Alright, and then I want to show you the different glitters I've got. These are the little 4-pointed stars. I have a pack of these in hollow and black, but I was like, I need to get some in some different colors. So I got these. I really like them. I've got these brown and black shades of glitter for sugaring. They'll be really nice. I've got these bigger glitters for a similar purpose, or maybe even burnishing. We'll see. And then I've also got these purple and blue ones. I am a huge fan of the purple and blue varieties of color in general, so I am excited to use these, especially that one. It's so pretty. Then I've got more rhinestones. These ones are all clear. We've got moons, flowers, butterflies, stars, squares, or teardrops, raindrops, whatever you want to call them, like petals, hearts, even littler. No, those are bows, triangles, bunch of cute different little shapes that I'll be able to utilize, and they're all very tiny, so I can use a lot of them. I also got this really big jar of tiny rhinestones. They are not flat back, but you can pour these directly onto the nail and, just kind of embed them into some top coat or some rhinestone adhesive and just make a really shimmery nail. I also got these powders. I have one like this. It's pastel-y. These ones are a little bit darker, more vibrant. So these also really great for sugaring on nails, but I would recommend sealing them in. They are very fine. And luckily it came with like this plastic, it's like saran wrap to try and hold them in, but to be honest, there was some all inside the plastic when I opened it. You can see it's on my hands. These are constellations. My birthday is coming up in January, and this is the Capricorn constellation, and I definitely intend to do a birthday nail set. Let's start stickers. I've got 3 of these stacked, so I'm going to go through them as quickly as possible, and then we'll get to the bigger sticker sheets, and there's so many. So these are like tweed. They're all pretty small. I didn't know that they would be when I picked them. That's a cute little sweater. Somebody will have nails small enough to put these on. Maybe my child. And then these are also kind of for small nails. Some of them I can fit into just nails. Some like this, they're gonna kind of force me to take up more nail. We'll see. But let's go through them quickly. This is cotton. I can put that on anywhere though. Yes, these are more suited for any size nail. I like these leaves. I've been needing some good looking leaves. Though I do have fall leaves. They're different than those. Those are pretty. Why are some of them flipped over? How bizarre. Yes, I am quite actually liking this collection. Most of them are usable for me. And then the third stack. Floral. These aren't really winter colors, but I wanted to get them because you can just never have too many varieties of plant life. These ones have little faces. Alright, so let's get on to the bigger stickers, the more fanciful stickers. These I may have to go through a little bit slower because they are so detailed. So these are textured 3D. They are very beautiful. As you may have noticed from some of my previous videos, I really like these white stickers. I also got quite a few astrological galaxy related. It's a piece of paper stickers this time as well. Let's do it like this so you can see them. Quite pretty. There's a black and white of each style. And then I got these. I like these little abstract-y type stickers because I feel like they're easy to put over anything and it'll just make it look a little bit fancy. So I got those. And then more white stickers. These are flowers. Obviously very useful. Here's some more of that variety that I'm telling you about where you can just put it over whatever and make something. These would be excellent for geode type nails. And then I also got some more fall-y, wintry type stickers. These have a lot of little flames on them, maybe to do like a campfire style thing with the warm wishes. More of that idea, that late fall, early winter. Quite pretty. And then some more. They look like the last ones, but they are slightly different, and these butterflies are quite pretty, and so are the leaves. I've got these blue winter stickers. They're not exactly Christmassy, but they are definitely winter. I also got some music notes because you just never really know when you're going to need to make music themed nails. I certainly never thought I was going to, but then I did need to. But now I'll be better prepared. I've got a little stack of these. I'm going to try and show them to you quickly. They're white. Let me get that out of here. That's not part of this. So let me try and show you. They go on and they just make like it's spray painted on there a little bit, like, and then the shape is a cutout. So that's kind of neat. Nextly, I got these 2 butterflies and flowers. They got a little bit of a gold outline. Well, it's silver when you look at it from this way, but yeah, I think those are nice. I got some of this. It's like plaid, but it's in strips, so you can just like cut off what you want to use and add it, or you can use these little hearts or diamonds. You can cover a whole nail if it fits with that. But yeah, I just thought these were nice. I could make use of them. I like how these go back and forth like a ribbon. Back to that galaxy astrological theme. These will look really nice over some dark, maybe a dark hollow. But check out these butterflies. Like, look at that. That's going to be so great when I get to use these. It's might going to be more like late winter before I get to bust this out. But I love it. Alright, we got a little bit of pink. I don't have a lot of pink stuff, but I definitely will be able to use these when it also gets to that late winter, early spring type season and the flowers are starting to bloom. I got these. They're like little jelly, I don't know if you can tell, flowers. I don't know what I'll be able to use these for, but something. And then some more of this fanciful nonsense just to put on there, spice things up. I think these are really cool. They almost look like nothing, but they're obviously people. So I'm definitely going to find a time to use these. I think they are super cool. And when people see them, they're not going to know right away, but then they get up on it and they're like, oh wow. That's what I think. We've got some stars, hollow stars, filled in stars, stars of different sizes. Definitely useful. I also got some planets and what appear to be fireworks. Not quite the right season for those, but I do have a season for those. I have a stack of butterflies. Let's try and look through them pretty quickly because they're all in the same vein and pretty similar to that other pack. So I guess I'll never run out of butterflies. That's pretty good. I would hate to run out of butterflies. I've also got a stack of stars. They're different shades of stars. So, I mean, I guess I'm ready no matter what shade I need. So that's cool. And then I've got these waves. I did try to make waves one time, but apparently I don't know what I'm doing. So I'll have these come summer when I'm about to make some beach sets. I did also get these animal prints. I'm not sure when I'm going to bust these out, but there's going to be an occasion. I am kind of thinking I'd like to do like a Cruella de Vil set, and so maybe I can make use of these. And then also there's these stripes. Not sure which holiday I'll be striping those out, but maybe. And then snakes. You know, snakes are pretty popular. But I guess this could also be alligator or lizard, whatever. I'll be prepared when it is time to do animal print. I've got them all. And then some more of this. I got a lot of these. They seem very similar, but they're slightly different, so I'll have some good to choose from. Also, I got these. I didn't realize that they were just like those things that cover your whole nail. I thought they were just these little things, little faces, but I don't know what I'm going to do with these. I suppose, I mean, I could technically use them, but I have never used anything like this, and I have no idea how. So we'll see. I did also get this. I didn't want to take it out of the package because I don't want it to be separated from its little item, but it's just that powder that you rub on to do like the glaze. And I got a couple of plates. This one is with our starry theme. I like it quite a lot. These are some cute prints. And then also another animal print. It's got a variety, so I'll be able to utilize this as well. And then lastly, I've got a stack of charms here, so let me show those to you. These are so pretty. I believe they go up and down on the nail, and they call them clocks. So I don't know what about this is supposed to be a clock, but it's very nice. And it would look good with some more rhinestones coming up and maybe down. And then I got these. I found these quite interesting. I think they would sit on your nail like this. So it's like a little hole up here, but I think that's really nice. Really elegant. I'm not going to get these out of their package because you can see them pretty well, but they're just black and white bows there are occasions where it would benefit you to have a bow to go ahead and stick on there, especially if you're doing like a black tie set. I've also got these really cool moon and star charms. This innard stuff, it's like some sort of pearl finish, but I think these are really pretty as well. And I got all that other stuff that'll go with it, so I can definitely whip out some galaxy. These are very, very small. They're like little fleur-de-lis. Look how tiny they are in comparison to my nail. I'll absolutely be able to use these because I can fit them anywhere. These are some more of that type that, you know, go downwards, you know, like this. I think they're really pretty. Big fan. These I'm really glad I was able to find. They are very popular right now. However, generally they are so big, and with my nails being natural, they're only so long, and so I needed some of these little half flowers that would fit me. These happen to be small enough to be able to do so. I am hoping that I'll be able to get some more in some different colors, but these are going to do me for now. So this is just like an assorted pack. And you know what, honestly, they remind me of Sailor Moon. I don't know if they're supposed to be related to that, but I think they're precious. Not sure what I'm going to do with them, but when the time comes, I'll be ready. Then also I've got these little stars. They are very cute. I'm not sure if they're just regular stars or like starfish. They almost look textured like a starfish, but I really think they could be used either way. And then lastly, these charms. I'm pretty sure they go this direction, you know, pointed downwards. I think these are really pretty as well, and definitely plan to utilize them. But that is the last thing. Alright guys, that was a huge haul. I hope you were able to stick with me through it all. If you were, definitely let me know what you saw that you liked and what was your favorite item. Do you have any of these items? Do you plan to order any of them? Because now that you've seen the haul, you're definitely prepared to go get your order ready, but be careful. Shein is like the Dollar Tree, and you'll just keep putting items in your cart and suddenly it's a whole lot of money. But anyways, thank you so much for watching my video and for liking it and leaving me comments and all of the interactions that you do. There is one more Shein haul coming from this, and that one is supplies, not nail art, but tools to be used. And it's going to be a little bit shorter, so you won't have to bear with me quite as long. Thank you again. I will see you in the next video. Bye.